Welcome to the Dubai Expo 2020. This video is part of the e-learning channel from the Food Safety Department of Dubai Municipality that aims to provide you with essential information to develop and maintain a flawless food safety system. Food safety is defined as handling, preparing, and storing food in a way that protects consumers from illness. In addition to putting consumers at risk, a food poisoning outbreak can cost businesses a lot of money, from fines, legal damages, and tarnishing of reputation, to putting an establishment out of business. In this module, we will look at food safety from the perspective of a PIC, or a person in charge, and we'll learn about the food safety principles that are essential to preventing the contamination of food, which can cause food poisoning. A person in charge is responsible for leading and managing food safety in a food establishment. Depending on the type and nature of the business operation, you may be responsible for different activities such as purchasing, preparation, storage, cleaning, and monitoring of employees. Let's look at some of the critical roles and responsibilities of the person in charge. 1. As a PIC, you should be aware of food safety legislations and standards that are applicable to your business. Once you complete the basic food safety and the person in charge trainings offered by Dubai Municipality approved training centers, you would be qualified to practice. Always keep a soft copy of the food code and the PIC handbook with you for reference. 2. You should be familiar with the possible food safety hazards in the food handled in your facility. You should also know the essential practices that are required to protect the food from these hazards. We will elaborate on some of the common hazards and their control measures later in this module. 3. A PIC should ensure that there are adequate facilities and equipment to process and store food safely. A PIC should also ensure that the facilities and equipment are well maintained. 4. A person in charge should train the food handlers in the food establishment and ensure their competency, monitor their daily performance, and provide support and training when necessary. 5. A PIC has to oversee the implementation of a food safety management system and ensure that all actions are documented using the Food Watch platform. A person in charge must set high standards of food safety and ensure meeting them at all times.